Hello guys, welcome to Caravan. So in this video we learn about how to install the software. Okay, so I want all of you to install the software step by step before the workshop starts because that will be a live workshop where you will be working and creating things together. Okay, so yeah guys. So the process it all starts with going to the website. So I will just share my screen and then we will start. So here. So just go in and you just have to type autodesk.in. And once you are there, you can select any of the sites over here. Like I will select this first site. Okay. So as soon as I click on this, I have it. The most important thing is guys, make sure that you are on Indian website. यहाँ पर US like you will find it US as well over here. So do check whether it is I in India. And you'll have to sign in and make sure that you verify yourself. So first you sign in and create your account. Okay. So I don't have an email ID, so I'll have to create an account over here. Like I don't have any account, so I'll just create one new account. I'll write my all the details over here. Done. Then I have the email IDs over here. So just go and copy your email ID over there and you will have it. You can do it the way. So here it is. Just copy. And over here you paste it. And you can add a password. So yeah. Done. And you just have to agree for all the agreements and then you click on create account. And once it is done, you have the access for all the products which you can use. Over here, guys, yeah, we will only provide you the trial version and you have it. So yeah. Now over here, you just click on products on the top left, you will find it. I'll just show you where it is. I'll mark it. See this guys. Here are the products, and in products, you just have to basically select. Like you have 3ds Max, you have Autocad. The process is same for any of these you select. You have it. Okay. So I'll select 3ds Max over here. Just click on 3ds Max and here it is. So yeah, for 3 years it is 3 lakhs. Okay, annually these are the monthly you have to pay for the software if you want, but you can use it for trial versions. Over here you have download free trial. Okay, just click on download free trial and fill in all the details and you will have it. So we will wait for it to load and here it is. Click on next. Okay, then you type the overall I'm trying this product for the first time. I'm in architectural field. So in that you have interior designing or anything you can keep and you have own business entrepreneur and that's done. So company name, you can type anything. I'll type ABC. Okay, ABCD, I'm typing it over here. It's from India. So over here Maharashtra, Mumbai, and that's done. But you have to give your phone number as well over here, so you can go for the phone number and click on next. And then you will they'll ask you for an option that what you want. So I want it for Windows 2023 and the language that you select, so it will be English only, and you click on install and accept. As soon as you do that, you will have an web install file of 11.5 MB. Okay, it will be in this format and here it is. Okay, so we'll just wait. So you have that over here and you just have to run this and it will start the installation for the same and you will have it. So that is how the whole process works. So you'll get this web install over here and then you just have to run it and the installation will start. Make sure that you have good internet connection before you start the installation because it is all based on the powerful net flow and you have. So yeah, this is how the whole process works with the installation. And now how to start 3ds Max software, let me brief you about that. So yeah. So guys, once you're done with the installation of the software, then when you start the software, you will get this option. Okay, it says sign in with your Autodesk ID. So the ID which we created at the start, right? You just have to log in and the software will start. This is applicable for both 3ds Max as well as AutoCAD. The whole process is the same because the production, like the parent company Autodesk is same for both of them. So the process and system is same for AutoCAD as well as 3ds Max. Thank you guys. See you in class. Cheers.